Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Right now the focus is on sleepless nights and junk food and earning money. But the crux of all that lies is that you are in the middle and all these things revolve around you. If you are not fit, these things will not matter after a certain point of time. Very soon you will be just lost and you wouldn't find like what's wrong. I used to do the poses from my childhood because my mom was experienced in yoga. She used to teach me, and somewhere in the middle I left doing that and came up to doing gym.
I started my mimicry in 4th standard by imitating a few local actors. Then I turned my attention to natural sounds like sound of a train, sound of a shehnai, something of that sort.
I started learning Hindustani classical music when I was back in school. Even there, we used to go to a lot of performances. We used to have all the kids performing together in front of a stage.
I was sleeping one day and then someone was selling flute outside. I just heard it and something inside said that I should go and buy a flute. So I just went there. I bought a flute. Since 5 to 6 years, I have been learning through YouTube only. I have never taken any classes.
Mimicry and beatboxing requires attention to detail, a lot of observations and stuff. So I am trying to imbibe the same quality in my MBA career. So the pool of talent that IMT provides is vast. So I try to imbibe the good qualities, the details or the qualities that they possess in various situations.
Singing is my happy place. Whenever I'm stressed, I love to sing. Whenever I am going for a performance, before that, I like to sing in the background. I like to sing before my performances. I like to sing before my exams. कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा अब है सामने इसे छू लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा.
People think that yoga is something like Babas would do, the ancient people used to do. But while doing yoga, you become a lot more aware, a lot more conscious of your inner world. There is no business leader in this world or even a political leader or leader be of any sort who is not aware of what is going on in his own mind.
You have to manage your personal life as well as your work. So doing MBA is kind of a work for me and playing flute is my personal life. So time management is what you kind of learn here, and playing flute also gives you kind of focus, the energy which you required for doing things.
Starting from my class, it was the first time I performed in a class mic where I performed a sound of a shehnai and people liked it and it was a huge round of applause for me. So I was pursuing my mimicry or I was trying to imitate a sound after 3 years since I got to work because I didn't get that much of opportunity during my work years. Tadari, tadari, tada. That I can do.
Because I learned how to give interviews for the entrance exams and all, I'm more confident now on stage and I have a better stage presence. So whenever I participate in any fest now in IMT, that's one difference that I feel.
Want the youth to be aware of the importance of yoga and pursue it in their lives, because there is no person who would become successful in a day. There would be failures, and at that point of time, it is critically important that you look within yourself, accept the failure and then move ahead.
MBA promotes critical thinking and how to act into certain situations, how to pitch yourself, how to be a promoter of yourself, how to sell yourself.
You're always busy while you're doing MBA, so that's something which has helped me pursue my passion in spite of being in a B school.
People come from different backgrounds, so they have got a different culture. They know different things. They put forward their different perspectives into the discussion whenever we are having in classes.
many creative people with different sort of expertise, you again come to the point, no, there is so much to explore in this world, and that respect again comes back to you, and the curiosity also builds up. I, being a manager myself, a person who has pursued MBA, who has done engineering, who has worked in corporate world, I want to show people how this has impacted my life, and maybe people will get it in that manner.